The Pomodoro Technique. Boost your productivity in 25 minutes. Are you tired of feeling stressed and overwhelmed at work? Introducing the Pomodoro Technique, a simple yet powerful productivity tool that can change the way you work. The Pomodoro Technique is based on the idea of breaking down work into 25-minute intervals, also known as the Pomodoros. Start by setting a timer for 25 minutes and work on a task until the timer goes off. After each Pomodoro, take a 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 20 minutes. Repeat this cycle as many times as necessary to complete your tasks. The Pomodoro Technique is not just for individual use, it can also be used in teams. By using the technique in a team setting, you can improve communication, increase collaboration, and boost productivity. The Pomodoro Technique is a simple yet powerful productivity tool that can help to boost productivity, eliminate distractions, and prevent burnout. Try it out for yourself and see the difference it can make in your productivity. Now it's your turn to try the Pomodoro Technique. Let us know in the comments what your experience with it and if it helped boost your productivity.